KTM is set to refresh its 390 Adventure lineup with the introduction of the new 390 Adventure X Plus, which is expected to replace the existing Adventure X variant. While the core mechanical components remain unchanged, the X Plus variant brings several significant upgrades in terms of electronics and rider aids, enhancing its appeal to adventure riders seeking more features without a dramatic price jump. One of the most notable additions to the X Plus is the IMU-based electronics suite. This includes cornering ABS and switchable cornering traction control, both of which significantly improve safety and handling. The bike will also feature 3 riding modes: street, rain, and off-road. In addition, KTM has equipped the bike with updated switchgear and a cruise control switch, both lifted from the standard 390 Adventure model. Mechanically, the Adventure X Plus is unchanged from the outgoing X model. It continues to use the proven 399cc single-cylinder engine that delivers 46 PS of power and 39 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox featuring a slip and assist clutch. The chassis setup is designed to balance on-road comfort with off-road capability. The bike is equipped with non-adjustable WP Apex front forks and a preload adjustable WP Apex rear monoshock, both offering 200 mm of travel. It rolls on 19-inch front and 17-inch rear alloy wheels, which are better suited for road-biased adventure riding. Braking duties are handled by a 320 mm front disc with radially mounted calipers and a 240 mm rear disc with floating calipers. Dual-channel ABS is standard, and the system allows riders to disable ABS on the rear wheel for better control off-road. In terms of practicality and ergonomics, the 390 Adventure X Plus tips the scales at 182 kg wet and offers a ground clearance of 227 mm. The seat height is lower at 825 mm, making it more accessible for shorter riders. Fuel capacity remains at 14 liters, which is ample for long-distance touring. On the tech front, the bike features a TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, offering riders access to calls, SMS alerts, turn-by-turn navigation, and music control. A quick shifter further adds to rider convenience. With the added features and improved electronics package, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure X Plus is expected to carry a price premium of around 15,000 to 20,000 rupees over the outgoing Adventure X model. Despite the slight increase, it remains a value-packed offering in the entry-level adventure bike segment.